Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the all-wheel drive, also known as 4x4 fuses relays are located on Jeep Grand Cherokee, that generation here. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. We'll talk about that after that. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out. All this video will be on the channel. Guys, in addition, on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, now here, let's explain where all-wheel drive 4x4 fuses relays are located on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee. You will have two different types of fuse boxes depending on the year model. We'll talk about each one of those. First, we need to open the hood. Facing the engine on the left side is the main engine fuse box. Open the cover, and here, guys, underneath you have a fuse box with a layout like this one for 2014 to 2022 year model. This is 2011 to 2013 year model. Before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good, you end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. And here, guys, what we need to check specifically. Okay, let's explain that now. We'll first explain about 2012 to 2014, 2014 to 2022 year model, guys. And the first fuse that we want to check is fuse number 77. Okay, and 77, guys, this is 72, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's this fuse right here that you see. That's fuse number 77. Then you have one more that you need to check, and that's fuse number 94. So that's 98, 7, 6, 5, 4. This fuse right here is the one that you will, guys, need to check. Now, those are the main fuses. But if you have a 2011 to 13, you don't have specifically dedicated fuse for the all-wheel drive system. In that case, guys, we'll recommend to always check fuses for the transmission control module, engine computer and ABS brake module, because all these systems work together. But guys, if you have 2014 to 2022, those are the two main fuses we need to check. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ. But some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays, usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.